Okay, welcome back to another week of maths and a follow-up from our live lesson. So, going over division again, bus stop method. Been a few days since we last had a look at it. We last looked at it on Thursday, so we want a refresher, a recap. Here is your multiplications table if you need to double check any of your answers. Okay, and these are the questions that we looked through during the lesson. Okay, we looked at these three examples and you had a go. We did this one together, okay, and then you had a go at these and we talked through them at the end. Now, we said right from the start we have to have this question in our head all the time. How many lots of 4 go into? That was for the first one, wasn't it? Okay, so think about that question every time that you go through. So we then had a look at doing some questions together, and the group that stayed on with me, okay, we looked at doing this together, okay, and we solved these together. So I'm just going to go back through one of these examples with you just so you can re-watch it if you need to. Now, our question, how many 4s? Okay, if we're thinking about the first question, that's how many 3s are in. So we're going to work along. How many 3s are in 4? I know can get one whole lot of 3 into there, and I'm going to have 1 left over. Then I need to go back to my question. How many 3s are in 12? 3, 6, 9, 12. I know I can get 4 lots of 3 into 12. Back to my question again. How many 3s are in 9? And I know that is 3. So there is our answer. We then went on to have a look at some word problems. Okay, we looked at some word problems here and we worked out how we would pull the key information to create our calculation, and you're going to have a work through those, and you're also going to have a look at the extension. If you get this far, then I want you to think about how we could use a bar model to represent the calculations. And we said here that this 429 divided by 3, we've got a whole amount up here, 429. We've split it into 3 equal groups below, and we know that each individual group is going to be 123. Okay, so we could use a bar model to show our division. Have a go at the questions. Okay, send in your answers to Class Dojo, and let's see if we can refresh, recap, and remind ourselves how to do division with a bus stop.